Hello everybody, this is week 33 and this is the Monday test. Question 1, write the numeral 1.3 million. So remember 1.3 million is 1 million with 0.3 of a million after it. So that's 1. Next digit, there's going to be 6 digits because it's 1 million after that. And the first of those digits is going to be 3. So it's 1,300,000. You would write it out 1, 3 and 5 zeros. Question 2, 2.1 divided by 0.7. You multiply both numbers by 10 to clear the decimal point, so it's 21 divided by 7, and that's 3. If you enlarge this line by 4 to 1, the new line will be 4 centimeters because this is 1 centimeter long. Question 4, is the formula diameter equals 2 multiplied by r correct? Yes, it is. 2 multiplied by r is 2 radius, 2 times the radius, so it is correct. Question number 5, take which would be better to weigh a potato. Kitchen scales would be better. Question 6, 5 liters and 4 milliliters is 5 and 4 over 1000, which is 5.004 liters. 1/2 multiplied by 1/4, you just multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. You can't simplify this because there's only 1 on the top. So it's just 2 by 8 in the bottom, or sorry, 2 by 4 on the bottom, that's 8. So your answer is 1 over 8. 9 squared is the same as 9 multiplied by 9. It's 81. It's not 9 multiplied by 2. Question number 9. Liam had 5 new different colored pencils in his bag. The chance of randomly choosing a singular color, that's any one particular color, is, well, it's 1 in 5, and that's equal to 0.2. 1 over 5 is 0.2. Question number 10. What's the average shoe size? So 4, 10, and 13 are the 3 sizes. You add them together, you get 27. You divide that by 3, and your answer is 9. 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000. The way to do these ones is 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. 10 to the power of 2 is 10 by 10, which is 100. 10 to the power of 3 is 10 by 10 by 10, which is 1000. 10 to the power of 4 is that again by 10, so it's 10,000. So you'll see that whatever the power is up there is also the number of digits after the 1. So that's why we have 5 digits here. Plot these coordinates for a triangle. So 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 5. And then you join them together for your triangle. 7.205 kilograms is 7,205 grams. A plus 2.3 is 3.1. So A equals 0.8. You take 2.3 away from 3.1, you get 0.8. A cube has 6 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter faces. So each one is 9 because 3 by 3 is 9. What's the surface area? Well, each face is 9 and there are 6 faces, so 9 multiplied by 6 is 54 centimeters squared. Question 16, the area of the house is 70 meters squared. What's the area of the garden? So if you look at the whole rectangle here, it's 14 by 30. That's 420. And then you take away the 70 for the house and you're left with 350 meters squared. The perimeter of the house is 34 meters. What's the perimeter of the garden? It's 88. Adding up the... If there are 0.6 euros to 1 Canadian dollar, how many euros would you exchange for 20 Canadian dollars? Well, each $1 is 0.6 euros. So for $20, you multiply 20 by 0.6. Your answer is 12 euros. Question 19. 10 divided by 0.1 is the same as 10 multiplied by 10 over 1 because 0.1 is 1 over 10. But remember, when we're dividing, that's the same as saying 10 divided by 0.1 or by 1 over 10 because 0.1 is 1 over 10. In order to do that, you change the sign from divide to multiply and you flip that second one. So that's your answer there. Question 20. 8 million take away 80,000 is 7,920,000. And your problem solving. This was tricky. Problem solving for Monday. Which set of money is the amount given to each of the 10 pupils who won an equal share of 100 euros? Well, 10 pupils won 100 euros each. They each get a tenner. Each get 10 euros. And I just looked at that and I'm going to take this, but I didn't spot this. This is actually 10 euros by 8. In other words, 80 euros. So that's wrong, and that's wrong. So you have to kind of find out which is right. This one here is the correct answer. So 6 1 euros, that's 6 euros. 4 50 cents, that's 2 euros. 8 20 cents, that's €1.60. And 8 5 cents, that's 40. So when you add them all together, you get 10 euros. Question number 2. There are 12 cars and 5 motorbikes in the car park. Each car had 1 spare tire in its boot. In total, how many tires were there in the car park? Well, each car has 4 tires, but then it also has one in the boot. So that's 5 tires per car. So 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. And you have 5 motorbikes, and each of those has 2 tires. So 5 by 2 is 10. Add them together, you get 70. And that's your answer.